Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother MFC-L5900DW printer driver download and installations. So guys, first open any browsers to Google search box to type like that, and then first URL you can see support.brother. Brother. This is official website support.brother.com. So click on it. Then select the Windows 11, Windows 32-bit, 64-bit, Windows 10 also there. So if you are using Windows 10, no worry about it. You can see this video and you can download the printer and install because of printer download and installation process same. Then select, then click to OK. This is first printer driver and software. So this is a printer USB and printer driver and scanner driver. So click on it. So after that it will start, but you have to agree and download, then it will start downloading. Now connect on these locations, click on these icons to open where it is downloaded. So these options will be show, and then right click to open, and then extract, and it will create new folders. So this is your printer driver, this is your printer driver. Now this is, now try to install the printer. So click to start and then setting, then Bluetooth and device, and then printer and scanner, and then click to add device. After that it will open the manual options within 5 seconds. Click to manual, then select last one, add local device network printer, then next, then click to have disk, then click to browse, then click on the download where it is downloaded, go to this location. So open this and select .inf file, then open. After that click to OK. Now find out your printer MFC-L5900 5900DW. So this is your printer. So guys, before installing you have to on your printer and connect to your desktop and laptop via printer USB cable, and then click to next. Now this is installing the printer. Now this is install, finish. Your printer has been installed, then click to open it. So now restart your printer and desktop laptop. And last method, if you want to share the printer on your network, click to printer property. Okay, click to printer property, then click to share and check this file, and then click to security, and then click add and type EVE, means everyone, then click to check name, so it will come automatically, and then click to OK. Then select the everyone and then check 3 axis printing, managing, documenting, then apply and then OK. Now this is your printer installed and also shared. Thank you.